Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as Didi. And today, your girl got some Wingstop again. Hey. Okay. Look. Anyways, y'all. I got the lemon pepper french fries. So I got the lemon pepper french fries. French fries on point today. Alright, so today we got Wingstop lemon pepper french fries. Let me show y'all.
What type of burger you got?
I got the Cajun chicken sandwich. My husband got the Louisiana chicken sandwich. We got some Cajun corn and some mango habanero chicken wings and Hawaiian. It's corn. It's hot. It's fresh. It's the dinner hour right now, so gotta get in. The best time to go to restaurants is when they first open, and the lunch hour between 11 and 12, and dinner time between 4 and 6. It's kind of spicy. So now we gotta go all the way down the block because we got some pizza for the kids. This corn don't taste fresh. Or it's overcooked. One of the two. Alright, y'all. So now I'm gonna try the Louisiana chicken sandwich. It's a bit greasy.
Too damn greasy. I think there's a lot.
Well, these french fries are perfect.
I got regular french fries.
Oh, you got corn. Why you keep trying to eat if you don't like it?
I don't know. Big ass greasy burger in there it is. Big.
Alright, we're gonna try. What's this? Mango habanero?
Yeah. No, that's Hawaiian.
Hawaiian. That ain't it.
2,500.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna try the mango habanero.
That's not it.
What is this?
That's the Hawaiian.
Oh,
Mango right here. Shit hot.
hot as in spicy or hot as in temperature?
Spicy as fuck.
Ooh, spicy. That's much better.
No, that's too spicy.
I don't know what they did to the Hawaiian.
They put no sauce in it.
But put that thing in some ranch. right, y'all, so I'm finna try my, ooh, excuse me, my Cajun sandwich. Ooh. No, it's gonna be spicy. It's red.
Damn, them shits is hot.
I need some ranch, but it's good.
It's hotter than that.
No, it ain't that hot. They need to make a lemon pepper chicken sandwich. No, a lemon pepper Cajun sandwich. That's good though. I'm
It
happy.
ain't have no crunch to it.
No, I don't have a crunch to it. I'm full already. Them French fries though. Them lemon pepper French fries. I didn't even know they had those. But now I know. So I put the ranch on it. I can't even talk, it's so good.
This shit is way too hot. Way too hot.
All right, y'all. So we have gotten the pizzas from Domino's for the kids. Let me show you what pizzas we got. We got the $6.99 deal with 2 topping. So this is the bacon pineapple. Yes, my family likes pineapple on their pizza. All right, so next we got the extra cheese. Right. And then we got the basic ham and pineapple. And then I designed this pizza. We got the chicken and bacon and spinach with Alfredo sauce. Look at that. Look at that thing right there.
Spanish.
Okay, so the $6.99 deal is only for a 2 topping pizza. But me, I knew this was gonna look good. I got the spinach. I chose the chicken and bacon, but I wanted to look pretty, so I added the spinach, you know. Aesthetics, baby, aesthetics.
Alright, y'all, so I'm so fat right now. Like super fat. Like super fat.
Alright, y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's annoying as Didi. Peace, love, and shade, baby. Don't forget to like, comment,